Hola and namaste and welcome to your sound journey. First, I want to take a moment to welcome our newest patron, Erich. So excited to have you on the journey. Welcome. Also want to acknowledge that I am back now after a month of not creating any sound journeys for Patreon, and I just wanted to express my gratitude to you all for bearing with me and for still being here, ready to accept the creativity as it's now arriving after the holidays have finished. So welcoming in this new year and this new chapter in our lives, I invite you to take a deep breath and a comfortable seated position. Closing your eyes if you're in a safe place to do so. Feeling into this body, these sit bones, your hands and feet where they rest. And taking a few conscious breaths, inhaling deeply and exhaling everything out. Inhale again. And exhale everything out. Bringing your awareness to the top of your head. Allow your body to relax. Relaxing the temples and the forehead, the cheeks and the jaw becoming relaxed. The neck, shoulders, and arms becoming relaxed. The chest, upper back, belly and lower back relaxing now. The abdomen, hips, upper legs, knees becoming relaxed. Ankles, feet, toes becoming relaxed now. And in this way, from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet, allow the body to become completely relaxed, present in this moment. Taking your hand and placing it over your heart, connect with this heart intelligence. Take a moment to check in and ask yourself what it is that you need, what it is that you desire, and how it is that you want to feel in this new year. Taking a few anchoring breaths into your heart. And allowing your heart to be heard. Now focus on the feeling. What it is that your heart wishes to feel. Remember back to a time in your life when you felt this way. And let this feeling permeate through your entire being. Let this feeling fill you. Let this feeling fill you in and around your entire body. Now allow this feeling to extend beyond your body. See how far this feeling can extend around you. Take a moment to experience this feeling that your heart is calling for. Expanding in to all avenues of your world. Pay no mind to how or why this needs to happen. Using your mind's eye, visualize this feeling extending out into your relationships, into your work, into your projects, into your life. Invite any sights, sounds, tastes, textures, anything that helps you to really envision this feeling becoming reality. Now call in support, seen and unseen, in order to create this image as a reality. Whatever that support may look like, seen or unseen, known or unknown, call this in now. knowing you are worthy and deserving of support, divinely provided. Take a moment to envision this feeling of support. What does this feeling of support feel like? Of asking and being heard. What is holding you back from getting this support? Is it a feeling of worthiness? Let that go now. Calling in support is one of the strongest ways of realizing your true potential, knowing that you are not alone. Knowing that you are supported and guided. Call in what it is that you need now. And feel deserving, worthy, as if it's already become real. What does this reality look like? What does this reality sound like? whatever is standing in your way, let that go now. Sending it down, releasing it to Pachamama, releasing to Mother Earth. Allowing the rain, the waters of the earth to wash you clean, preparing you for this new year, this new opportunity to shine your unique gifts, to overcome your unique challenges, to grow your unique strength, to shine your unique light. You can't do it without you. Now repeat after me. I am the best at what I do. There is no one else who does what I do, the way that I do it. This world has enough of everything for everyone. I am loved. I am loving. I am love. Breathing it in. Owning this opportunity to reflect. For this opportunity to visualize your best self. Sending gratitude to your heart, to your breath, to your mind, to your imagination, to your health. Sending gratitude to you for showing up and for doing this work. Blessings on the path.